Alright, this is the review of the Seiko SND 253 Seiko tachometer. Stainless steel, black with stainless steel band, stainless steel head, deployment clasp, quartz movement, hardlex crystal, 42 millimeters. Unidirectional means that you can change the direction of either way on the bezel. And let's see, with a chronograph function and a date function as well. The impressive features packed into the pilot's watch. Here we go. Give it that way. Let's see here. Currently we've got a Seiko movement that is quartz chronograph. We've got just the basic level. When you press the chronograph, we got 1/20th of a second indication on the top, with the major sweep hand indicating the seconds route. We'll continue to leave that one rolling for the time being. Date over here on the 21. Very easy to read, very legible. This is actually, when you look at this watch, after it seems a little busy, but you get used to it very quickly. It's very legible, easy to read. Around the top on the bezel, we have a indicator on not just the ability to use a slide rule, which I'll send documentation for that. Very easy to move, but there is also the requested indices for north, south, east, west, with the basic degrees also in the bezel itself. Here we go. So we get to a minute. You might not be able to see it on the subdial at 6 o'clock. There is a 1 minute register alongside an hour register. So you have 1/20th of a second, 1 second, 1 minute, and then 1 hour. It'll register up to 12 hours. On the left-hand side is a the seconds indicator that just will be continuously moving. Now, this will be interesting. Once we let this roll for a little bit, we're going to stop it. You could also continue on. Use the split timer. It'll catch up. I don't know if you saw that. Again, split time. Wait about a couple seconds, and you'll see that it immediately advances to where it was. Then if we stop, reset, you can see the indicator down here. It's a little bit harder to see, but it'll actually spin to the point that it'll reset the whole time. And again, restart. All in all, very nice watch. I think it should fit your wrist. A lot of points for the actual material is good. Case size is good. It's legible. It's actually very similar in size to the Rolex that I've got for a few years. This was my dad's that he gave me, but the similar in size. Again, very easy to read these watches. I'd say fairly scratch resistant on the bezel, on the actual crystal. You've got a screw down head. I should show you this. The crown is a screw down, so it is down to 100 meters or 300 feet. I don't think you'll be diving, but you unscrew. First level will make it so you can adjust the date. Let me get back to the 21st, and then just push it back in. Second level, oops, apologize. Second level should be moving the hands, which I just said this earlier, so it shouldn't be that hard. So just a little harder to do with. There we go. Second level. We'll move the hands. Okay, which is good. This thing hopefully will give you a lot of good years of service. I looked at this for my own personal watch a few times, so I think it's going to give you a lot of good years. Any jeweler should be able to go and pull the battery, resize the links. They're very straightforward. They're pin links. So when you see it solid over here, this is where you'd push the pin out. Where it's over here where it's split is how the pin actually comes out. So on the bracelet itself, Seiko bracelet on the brand, friction clasp with fold over. You should be able to adjust the sizing a little bit up. If we find that we need more links, we can always order more links so it's not too difficult. So if the watch band itself is a little tight, you can go in that direction. So that is the review of the Seiko Chronograph 100 meter. Put it back in this thing. Pilot's watch. So hopefully you'll have an enjoyable time calculating out your fuel efficiencies on your Hondo Accord. So thanks for the review. Bye.